Hey everyone! If you're getting the sorry something went wrong error on Facebook, don't worry, it's a pretty common issue and I'll show you how to fix that. First, try clearing your browser data for Facebook. So go ahead and click on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your browser, then scroll down to Settings, and from there, head into Privacy and Security at the left side and look for the option related to third party cookies. Then tap on that. Now, once you're there, scroll down and click on See All Site Data and Permissions. You'll see a search bar. Now, type in Facebook. When it shows up, click the drop down arrow next to it. Then hit the trash icon to delete all stored data. Then click on Delete to confirm the action. After that, go back and reload Facebook. In many cases, that alone fixes the problem. If the error is still there, the next thing to check is your site settings. So click the icon next to the Facebook URL in your browser's address bar. Then open Site Settings. Now scroll down until you find JavaScript and make sure it is set to Allow. So Facebook relies heavily on JavaScript, so if it's blocked, things won't load properly. Now if you've tried both those and it's still not working, there's a chance the problem isn't on your end at all. Sometimes Facebook servers go down. So to check this, open a new tab and search is Facebook down. Then look for down detector, click on it. Now scroll down to the graph. If you see a big spike in reports, that usually means a lot of people are having the same issue. In that case, the only thing you can do is wait for Facebook to fix it on their side. And that's it. Thank you for watching.